Alright guys, Hasman123 here, and today I've got fidget spinner. So yeah, I'm just gonna be like doing a tutorial for those of you who haven't got these. Yeah, it spins like that. You basically have to get your middle finger there and then just spin it. Yeah, it doesn't go that fast on camera, but in real life it goes really fast. As you can see, it's not even going that fast. And these can come out. Well, I'm not going to do that, just as you can see, mine's the I don't know what colour that is, just post in the comments below which colour that is, because I don't know if it's yellow or just really light green. So yeah, I'll be back showing you guys this fidget spinner in action. Right, so I'm just going to go through here so you can get a better view. So yeah, you guys have got a better view. It doesn't go that fast on camera, but in real life it goes really fast. Oh, wait a minute. It's free now. Oh god. So yeah guys, thanks for watching. Leave a comment and subscribe for more. Peace out.